Hi, this is Chris Roshna, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram. This is the Volutz Type A to Type C 3.1. So if you have a MacBook with only the lightning connectors, this is a perfect converter for both of them. So you put in your Type A device, like your iPhone cable if you happen to have one, and then this plugs in to your computer side. This is gold-plated connecting, and this is a rubberized outer jacket with a harder inner jacket for this connection. There's also right here a connection you can put, so you can put it around a cable and attach it to it so it doesn't fall or get lost. This is from a company called Volutz, and these are high quality Type A to Type C converters for your cables that you currently have that you don't want to buy another adapter. So you can just get these less expensive adapter from Volutz, and they're made pretty well with the gold plating. This is Chris Roshna, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram. Thanks.